Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. A while back I rebuilt Stephanie's house to include a parent's bedroom, and her sister Roxy was sharing a room with Stephanie. But in the original build we only got Stephanie and her parents, and apparently she has a brother called Mason. So I thought, why not build him a room? So I will show you today what I did for Mason's bedroom. I have been busy renovating the house, and Mason's bedroom is a 10 by 10 on the internals. So it's not too large, but big enough to fit quite a few things in. I did some shelves here on the side, and I've popped some posters on the wall there. I tried to make it look like a teenage boy's bedroom as best I could. And I'm going to fill up the shelves here. So I've got a little silver Matchbox car. I'm guessing it's a limited edition one. Little gold minifig statue's going to go on here. I'll turn that around later. And he's got a little greenhouse here. Could be like a Halloweeny monster house. And I popped some washi tape on the walls for that retro look. So I just bought these from Kmart, and that's the one that I used. I love washi tape because you can remove it and it doesn't leave sticky residue. Time to make some furniture, and this is a bed here, and it will have storage drawers underneath. Now is a little bedside table, and there will be a chest of drawers for the room too. He loves to play video games, so he's going to have a desk with a computer on it and an awesome gaming chair. Time to pop the furniture in, and his bed goes in first with those storage drawers. Bedside table there with the lamp. Corner desk goes in, so that's gonna go right there. I'll get it in. And now the chest of drawers with the little drink and a Game Boy. And finally that comfy gamer's chair. So I've got to try and spin this around to get it in there. I'll get it in. It's a bit tight in this room. There we are. Look at that. He is stoked. He is ready to play some games. He needs his mobile on his bed. And I forgot a little tennis racket on the wall because he plays with Stephanie. I hope this has given you some ideas on how to build a teenager's bedroom. I have been busy rebuilding Stephanie's house once again because I rebuilt Emma's and I went, nah, I need to rebuild Stephanie's. So I'll be filming that soon. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.